reported today in The Verge. Google sued by New Mexico Attorney General for collecting student data through Chromebooks. Google is facing a new lawsuit filed by the state of New Mexico Attorney General Hector Balderas on Thursday, alleging the company violates the privacy of students who use free Chromebooks provided to schools through the company's G Suite for Education platform. Student safety should be the number one priority of any company providing services to our children, particularly in schools, said Balderas. Tracking student data without parental consent is not only illegal, it is dangerous, and my office will hold any company accountable who compromises the safety of New Mexican children. It's not Balderas's first time taking on Google. In 2018, Balderas filed a lawsuit against Google and other companies for violating child privacy laws, specifically the far-reaching COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, provisions. That suit is separate from this new Chromebook-related one and is still ongoing, according to court filings. The state attorney general is also participating in a broader antitrust probe into Google, conducted by 50 state AGs around the country in parallel with similar efforts the U.S. Department of Justice and the Federal Trade Commission. The suit filed today specifically accuses Google of using its free Chromebook program as a kind of Trojan horse to illegally gather data on students, both in violation of COPPA and more generally in violation of broader privacy protections, both federal and state, for kids of all ages. The data the suit accuses Google of collecting includes sensitive information like physical locations, web and search histories, YouTube viewing habits, contact lists, passwords, and voice recordings, the complaint says. The suit also claims Google used this information to serve its advertising business up until April 2014, and that the company has stored this data in personalized profiles for each student that participates in its G Suite for Education program. These practices do not simply violate federal law, nor do they merely impact children under the age of 13, the complaint reads. Covertly monitoring children of all ages, despite unambiguous representations to the contrary, violates long-standing rights rooted in the common law as well as New Mexico's statutory prohibitions on unfair, deceptive, and unconscionable business practice. Google was not immediately for comment. State of New Mexico v. Google by Nick Stat on Script. For more on this story, visit the news article link.